Hi, my name is Aliana Bihamiti Faizalni, matrix number 08 DPI 20F 2031.
Good morning, I am Yuvamala, daughter of Parvati, and my matric number is 08 DPI 20F 2006.
My name is Nur Azan Natasha Binti Azman and my matric number is 08 DPI 20F 2011.
Hi everyone, I'm Srigarti, daughter of Punalan. My matric number is 08 DPI 20F 2022.
Okay, as you can see, this is our article that we have chosen. The article is about a university education is necessary for success in today's life. The reason why we choose this topic is because education is the social institution through which society provides its members with important knowledge including basic facts, job skills, and cultural norms value. So there is a few reasons to support our point. And right now, I will be talking about my point. So students who graduated from university most likely to get good salary when they enter work life. When students enter work life, they will get a high salary because of their certification, and it will be no problem for them to pay their student loan. Overall, we agree that entering university is worth it, looking at how much benefit that students could gain in the future. So moving on to the values that we could gain is in order to have a brighter future is students must work smarter and harder to get a good results. When they graduated, it will be no problem for them to work at a good or big companies. As I mentioned earlier, they will also gain good salary and this will secure their future. We would recommend students to think and take initiative to further their studies. After diploma, we hope that students out there will continue pursue degree because companies usually hire people who have a good education background. In order to secure a position in a company, they must have a degree. We also believe that they will get more opportunity and experience while pursuing degree, and they also will get to improve their social skills and leadership skills.
A university education is necessary for success in today's world. University is full of opportunities, but sometimes it can be hard to find which way to look first, or at least to know where are you headed, to know what are you doing. Higher education imparts in deep knowledge and understanding so as to advance the students to new frontiers of knowledge. Higher education also provides opportunities for lifelong learning, allowing people to upgrade their knowledge and skills from time to time based on social needs. The value of higher education is how to learn from their mistakes. It is important to encourage students to learn from their mistakes and view them as an opportunity to improve. A lot of the time, setbacks and failures can be the catalyst for future success as lessons are learned. While students are equipped with the tools and theory necessary to deal with and overcome the challenges of everyday life, they are also encouraged to identify their strengths and characteristics and how they can best use them. I would like to recommend students, after finish their final exam, apply for the further studies far away from their hometown. It helps students to develop their own learning goals, become disciplined, and learn to be independent. They also will committed to organize themselves, manage their focus over time, and limit time-wasting distraction. Important life skills will be developed which lead you into later life. Simple things like learning to cook yourself, paying bills make it easier to adjust adult life in a job once you graduate.
Moreover, university education alone without the determination to press on towards achieving our goals in life may not be sufficient to steer us forward. So, without a clear vision of what we want to be and do, university education will just go down the drain as some graduates have been known to refuse employment due to their easygoing attitudes that makes them lethargic in their pursuit for a better life. One may argue that some successful figures like Bill Gates and Steve Jobs were college dropouts, but they made it in their life. However, most of us forget that these two geniuses actually had a strong determination and unique gifts that they knew they could embark on. It is proven that they are among those who have contributed to the advancement of technology that has made life easier than ever. So, university education does to an extent determine a person's success in life as it enables one to discover their interests and skills to secure a permanent job. So, the values that I get is the quality, which means the graduates will have a better quality than ordinary people who do not have a degree when they look for work. In fact, the opportunity for these graduates to find work is wider and higher based on their skills and knowledge required at the university level. So, many companies are more interested in hiring employees with a diploma or degree level certificates to work under them. So, the recommendation is we need to strive and aim for the best in our academy, not only in better certificates but in better grades too. Then, with this, it can be proven to the company that you are worth to be employed for a good position with a good salary.
The benefit of a university education is necessary for success in today's world. The educational and transferable skills you will pick up at university will lead you into making more positive impact on society and the economy. Having candidate degree means that you're knowledgeable in a certain area of field, knowledgeable which can be put forward in a benefit society. Whether you plan to study to become a doctor or literature student, a mathematician or historian, a degree will give you information not everyone has. Contributing in this way keeps society working. For example, the meaning of this benefit is often said to be unmeasurable. Despite its acute strain of anti-intellectualism, the education system has spent generations encouraging young high school graduates to engage in higher learning, in a university and get a job. The challenge and discover something new about the world. Such goals can respond to social and economic needs and reflect perspectives and views from outside in educational sector. There should also be particular attention given to equity in the provision of educational services and meet the improve of educational outcomes from the particular student groups. In conclusion, the essential part in making a good career is studying at the university. It gives us wide knowledge, valuable friends, and academic skills for the future development. Therefore, I suppose that everyone who wants to success have to be a good education first of all.